Okay, now. Hello, everybody. Nice to see you. How are things with you? I hope all of you are fine and be safe with COVID-19. Today, I would like to make a new video clip related to grammar, Toefl Test. You know already, grammar is very important for us to improve our English knowledge, also in speaking and writing, and also listening. If you don't know grammars very clearly, mean that you cannot improve your English or you cannot use your English correctly or in a grammatical ways. Now, before we start, I would like you to subscribe my channel first. Thank you very much for this. Now, here we go. Lesson number 1. Case and Sandy are the retirement dinner this year. When you see the word this year, mean that you have to focus on letter C. It's the future continuous, or we say present continuous for the future, because it happened with clear time expression. ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងឃើញ this year គឺយើងត្រូវតែគិតអំពីpresent continuous for the future ព្រោះវាមានពេលវេលាច្បាស់លាស់ Number 2. Lily down as he approached the intersection. You look at this. He approached this here, mean it's the past simple. And we use with the word ask. Here mean when or because. When we use it, mean two action can happen at the same time. Now, when it's past simple, it's also past simple. So it is letter D. ចឹងយើងដឹងហើយថា he approach នេះគឺវាជា past simple ហើយយើងប្រើជាមួយ s ទៀត s ហ្នឹងមានន័យថា when ឬក៏ because នៅពេលដែលយើងប្រើវាលុះត្រាតែសកម្មភាព2គឺកើតឡើងនៅពេលតែមួយ past simple past simple ដូចគ្នា Number 3. Last month, Lillian her bills with her credit card. Now when say last month, it must be past simple. So you have to choose letter D. ចឹងនៅពេលដែលឃើញយើងឃើញ last month ហើយយើងត្រូវជ្រើសរើស past simple គឺ letter D. Paid. Number 4. Jack working overtime for the last 3 weeks. When you see 4 plus time, this one we need to focus on the present perfect or perfect. Okay, so this letter C. ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងឃើញ 4 plus បូកជាមួយនឹងពេលវេលាគឺយើងទៅគិតទៅលើ perfect សិន ចឹងយើងឃើញថា letter C ជា present perfect. Now 5. The band on my watch. The band on my watch broke. Okay, broke. Why choose broke here? If I choose break, it's no S because it's singular subject. It has no S. And here, wrong. And here, so wrong. So you have to choose broke. It broke already. Number 6. He believes we go to a specialist right now. When you see he believes here mean you want to focus on prediction. Okay, so you have to choose. When you talk about prediction, you have to use the word will. ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងឃើញពាក្យថា believe នេះគឺយើងនិយាយអំពីការទស្សន៍ទាយ ចឹងយើងត្រូវប្រើ will. Number 7. Be very careful. That dog bite. So when you say be careful here, we need to focus on possibility. When you focus on possibility, you have to use the word may, because sometimes the dog cannot bite you. Sometimes. ចឹងអានេះយើងនិយាយអំពីភាពដែលអាចទៅរួច ជួនកាលឆ្កែវាមិនអាចខាំយើងទេ Number 8. the thief before the police could catch them. Now which one you can choose? Here's past simple. So when it's past simple, so this must be past 2. Which is flew, no, fleet. So letter B. ចឹងយើងមើលនេះជា past simple ចឹងអានេះក៏អាចជា past simple ដែរចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះគេប្រើតាមទម្រង់ past simple. Number 9. Neither the president nor the Senate the outcome of the vote. So which one? So this must be letter B because it's true. ចឹងយើងជ្រើសរើសជា present simple ដោយសារវាពិតចឹងគឺចឹងនៅពេលបោះឆ្នោតគឺទាំងប្រធានាធិបតីទាំងអ្នកខាងកាន់ព្រឹទ្ធសភាគឺមិនអាចដឹងពីលទ្ធផលនៃតន្លឹកឆ្នោតបានទេ Number 10. Because the rain fell all night, the clock strained pie bursted and flooded the house. So which one you think it's wrong? ឥឡូវយើងគិតថាមួយណាគឺវាខុស So it is letter C. Why it is wrong? Because verb here we call irregular verb. In the present burst, past burst, and past participle burst. So no bursted. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing the channel. I hope all of you have good business in the future. Good luck.